So this is actually the entrance. I am standing in the entrance now, but this area, this is the living room. And what I love about the living room, guys, it has plugs all over. There's one here, there's one over here. I think there's one down the back here and here. And of course, it has the regular ceiling fan, and then it has the light right there. All right, and across from that, then we're going into my bedroom. So this is my bedroom now, guys. All right, this here, this is to go up at the top here where the blinds is. So once I do settle in and get a ladder, then one of those small step stools, I'll be able to put that back up there. But this is basically what my room is. And as I said before, I love the fact that it has the plugs all over. And of course, I went ahead and I put in my little thing here, my air freshener. Guys, I do not know why it is so blurry. Anyway, moving on, I do have this very nice closet here. This, I saw this is from the bathroom. I saw it in the bathtub when I was cleaning up. So I'm going to take that back to the property manager. So it has a nice walk-in closet, guys. I love it so much. Yeah, so the shoes, they're able to be stocked and up top there. Nice, lovely. That is what I love about this apartment. And then of course, this is where I really love because it has double sinks, guys. Double sink. Imagine that. And also on the countertop, it's marble, so it's the black marble. And then I love the lighting because I'm able to do my makeup in here. All right, and of course, you have the throne right there and the bath right here as well. Yeah, nothing fancy about the bath, but I actually cleaned this up yesterday. All right, so that's it for my bathroom, and this is the master bedroom. All right, so now we're going to go back out in the living room. Right. So this is the living area we're going back in, and guys, I'm still in the process of cleaning up. Some of these things were left here. All right, so over there you will see the kitchen area. All right, so it has stainless steel fridge, stove, microwave. And what I also love about this, guys, is the cupboards. Oh, the washing machine, not washing machine, the dishwasher. And then all of these are cupboards, lots of cupboards. Seems as though they know that I'm skinny and that I need to eat up. But I love this as well, the pantry. And it's open on both sides, guys. Let me see if I can let you see that. All right, so of course my water, whoa, my water and stuff can go there, and then it has the top part. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use the top there because I'm so tall already. However, I'm going to try to get a step stool there so I'm able to use it. All right, and as I said, I'm still in the process of cleaning up some stuff I saw here, so I will have to do what I can. And then over here we have the second bedroom. So the second bedroom here, so I have these tubs that I'm going to be putting stuff in to bring them here. But since I was here, I just said, let me just do this little video for you. So this is the second bedroom. All right, they're nice sizes, guys. And then here is the closet, very nice size closet as well. I only have this room here left to be done, and then I have yes, I'm cleaning up, guys. Hold on. And then I have this other bathroom. This is for the second bedroom. But as I said, I'm not finished. I'm still in the process. But I said, while I'm here and I feel down, why not go ahead and do this little video for you. And of course, it comes with washer and dryer. So those are over on this side here. All right. Yeah. Yes, guys, so that's basically it for this little house tour. I'm going to be fixing it up and showing you some more about this property. And also this door, this leads to the balcony. So I do have a nice little balcony there. So I just wanted to share with you this while I am in the process of fixing it up. And that's my entrance door right there. So of course, I'm probably gonna put my shoe stand here or there, so when I come in, the place is not too dirty. Leave all shoes right there.